What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to talk about the notice of business needs on the horizon that the judge asked AMC to send to her. And today they sent it, and I'm gonna read it to you first, and I might interject something here and there, but I want to get as much read as possible, and then we'll talk about it because there's something interesting I want y'all to see. All right. The very first line, we write on behalf of defendants. Right there, Adam, you ought to know your ass is in trouble. If these people are writing on your behalf, I wouldn't want them writing on my behalf. But anyway, we write on behalf of defendants, AMC Entertainment Holding, Adam Aaron, and the rest of them jokers. All right? In response to the request of your honors, July 24th, 2023 letter that the parties submit a notice of business needs on the horizon, including any events or circumstances compelling a decision by a certain date. So basically, they've been saying that they're going to go bankrupt, and the judge said, send me the information that I need to make a determination of why I need to do this settlement right now. And this is their response. They said the defendants will not presume to tell the court that AMC requires a ruling by a particular date. Well, that'd be the first time, huh? Because they've been trying to tell the woman what to do ever since it started. What defendants can say is that the sooner the company has clarity regarding its go-forward capital structure, the better it can act to protect the best interests of all of its stakeholders, especially its common stockholders. Specifically, when and if the reverse stock split and conversion are consummated, they will create a significant amount of authorized and unissued common stock that AMC can use to raise equity capital. Boy, they love that phrase, don't they? Instead of having to use the significantly discounted and thus significantly dilutive APEs. Now, y'all get that, I know. He's just simply saying that after the reverse stock split and the conversion, he will have 400, thereabout, million new shares of AMC that he will be able to sell onto the open market. Y'all know this. So, what? But it gets good. Wait. Given the fundamentals of the industry, AMC's current financial situation, and the general pattern of late summer capital market activity, a ruling in the late part of July or early August would create the maximum chance of AMC being able to raise equity capital, again, through a capital markets financing in the near term. Okay. Now, we know that he's got $400 million. He's telling her he's got $400 million that he'll be able to sell after the reverse stock split and conversion. And he says that the best time to sell those shares will be in the late part of July or early August, would create the maximum chance for AMC being able to raise the money they need. All right. So we got the later part of July, early August, and as you can see right here, it's already 7/26. So he means let's do this shit right now. In the first half of 2023, box office was 21% behind the same period in 2019. In the first quarter of 2023, the most recent quarter for which AMC has publicly disclosed its financial results, AMC reported net cash used in operating activities of $189.9 million, and the company's assets, including $495.6 million in cash, were dwarfed by the company's $11.4 billion in total liabilities for the reasons set forth in this letter, as AMC has publicly disclosed, its current cash burn rates are simply not sustainable. Okay, but let's take a look at something real quick. When he says this here, the first quarter of 2023, but he don't mention the fact that this quarter it looks like we're going to be positive too. All right. They only talk about that one. They don't want to talk about the Barbie money. They don't want to talk about the Sound of Freedom money. They don't want to talk about the Oppenheimer, whatever the name of it is. They don't want to talk about none of that. They don't want to mention that. But that is on the horizon. Why didn't they mention it? Okay, let's go on a little bit further. and get down here to the end, because that's about the only thing that really mattered. I'm going to show y'all. Fortunately, the beginning of August presents a strong opportunity for AMC to consummate an equity financing with the proceeds used to support its business. When? The beginning of August. All right? And then they say right here, they got to give 10 days notice to the New York Stock Exchange before they can do the stock split and then start selling. All right? So let's take a look at the calendar. Today's the 27th. So if she came back tomorrow with a decision, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be Monday the 7th. If she made a decision right now, and they're already getting into the second week of August, which they said that they begin to fear the second and the third week of August, people start disappearing from the stock market. Which is all bullshit, but it doesn't matter. If she done it tomorrow, then they would be able to start selling August 7th. So from this point on, all we got to do is just, every day that she don't answer, we can say, well, they won't be able to sell until August 25th now. All right? So that's what I took away from this. I was able to now narrow it down that says, okay, if this judge takes just one more week to make a decision, AMC says that it won't be worth doing the reverse stock split and the conversion because the volume to buy the shares wouldn't be there. So with that, give that some thought. Love y'all. Be blessed. And I'll see you in the next video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing